Hey guys, my name is Peter from DISLM Year 1, and today I'm going to talk about shoulder girdle and shoulder joint. First of all, let's talk about the shoulder girdle. The shoulder girdle is the guiding joint. It can provide 6 major movements. First of all, the abduction, adduction, the upwards rotation, downwards rotation, and the elevation and depression. Let's move on to the shoulder joint. The shoulder joint is a ball and socket joint. It can provide 10 major movements. First of all, it is flexion, extension. This is abduction, adduction. This is external rotation, internal rotation, and this is the horizontal abduction, horizontal adduction, and this is the diagonal abduction and diagonal adduction. So let's move on to the key bony landmark of the shoulder girdle and the shoulder joint. The shoulder girdle and the shoulder joint, including the scapula in the back and the clavicle inferiorly. So let me introduce the key bony landmark. This is the aconian process right here, and if you move downwards, this is the spine of the scapula, and it is the medial border. This is the lateral border, and this is the inferior angle. Right now, I'm going to talk about how to palpate the bony landmark of the shoulder joint and the shoulder girdle. So, first of all, you can see that here is the scapula, and you can feel that here is the inferior angles, and in the medial part, here is the medial border, and right here, and you can feel that here is the spine of the scapula. Here is the lateral border, and right here is the aconian process. Right now, I'm going to talk about 2 major muscles of the shoulder girdle and shoulder joint. The first one is the deltoid muscle. The deltoid muscle can provide many movements. Like in the interior fiber part, we can provide a flexion, and also the horizontal abduction and the internal rotations. And also in the middle part of the deltoid, we can provide an abduction. And in the posterior part of the deltoid, we can provide external rotation, a horizontal adduction, and also extension. I'm going to demonstrate the origin and the insertion of the deltoid muscle. The anterior fiber is in the anterior lateral third of the clavicle, and the median fiber is in the interior aspect of the acomia, and the posterior fiber is in the inferior edge of the spine of the scapula. And lastly, the insertion of the deltoid muscle is in the deltoid trapezius of the interior humerus. The next muscle is the serratus anterior muscle. The serratus anterior muscle can provide 2 major movements. The first one is the abduction, and the next one is the upwards rotation. The origin of the serratus anterior muscle is in the surface of the upper 9 ribs at the side of the chest, here. And the insertion of the serratus anterior muscle is in the interior aspects of the whole length of the median border of the scapula, right here. I'm going to demonstrate 2 exercises. You can train the serratus anterior muscle and the deltoid muscle. The first one is a push-up. You can train your serratus anterior muscle through push-up. So the next one will be the shoulder press. The shoulder press, you can train your deltoid muscle. That's all of this video. Hope you enjoy it and thank you for watching.